Hey everybody, this is Matt at S&P USA. It's Fan Fact Friday, and today I'd like to discuss a few key points about our new Intellivent outside air kit. The Intellivent kit combines our premium choice low-profile bathroom fan with our outside air motorized damper kit to bring you an economical, balanced, whole house ventilation solution for residential and multifamily applications. The Intellivent kit works by using the bathroom fan to exhaust air, while the 24-volt control opens the motorized damper and commands the air handler to supply an equal amount of fresh air from outside. The S24V control can be programmed to run the fan and damper for the exact amount of time necessary while limiting operation during periods of extreme temperature and humidity to meet the ASHRAE 62.2 residential ventilation standard. Use this kit to comply with the ASHRAE 62.2, IRC, IMC, and IECC building codes calling for mechanical ventilation. This is a low-cost, easy-to-use, balanced whole house ventilation system that will meet code while improving indoor air quality. For more information on the Intellivent kit and all of our other outside air products, visit our website at the link below and check back soon for our next Fan Fact Friday.